this morning. It seems like the Irish Sea has brought quite a few trees today. I have walked from down that bit where they're cleaning up, and there's tree trunks, branches. Seems to be a lot of trees. You got branches, a bit of a trunk there. You see further down. Yeah, there's bigger amounts as well. Like down that area. As you can see, there's one there on the top step there. So yeah, bringing in quite a few trees. So another bit tree. That's a full tree. The roots. Looks very similar to a Scotch pine. The markings. But yeah, as you can see, a few bits of trees, branches, and then there's more. I wonder if a lot of these have come from the previous storms. Some of them look burnt as well, so some more. See, that looks like a burnt branch. I wonder if these have come as far as the wildfires that happened in California. Some of them, because like I said, some of them look burnt as well. Yeah, look at all the odd branches and tree trunks and all, and then got this massive one here. It's surprising how much strength the sea has. See, that's why you should never mess about in the sea, because you think how heavy that is. But yeah, as you can see, there's just bits of trees everywhere. So yeah, what do you think? Do you think it might be from the California wildfires, with some of them being burnt? I know more than likely that a lot of them have come from storms as well that had happened. Because of course we've had quite a few bad storms over the past few months. So yeah, I'll leave that with you. And the afternoon tide has left all this. It's a bit unsafe. No one's got a code, so I don't know if anybody recognises that. That's UK, planks of wood. Yeah, as you can see, there's quite a lot of it. So yeah, this is brought in from this afternoon's tide of 3rd of March. So yeah, quite a lot. There's even straw in that. A bottle. Yeah, bit of football. So yeah, quite a bit